Hello, ciao, ciao. Ciao. We've got this EVO 4, so we've got to do some work on it. But I'm going to show my brother about this EVO. How much work he needs doing. Antonio, I know you're doing, Antonio. You want to show? You want to take over the video and take it down? We're touching nothing.
Okay, right then. Let's go put the light on. And then get this right. There's it's all gone. The chassis, it's all gone here. Look at it, it's all gone. On this EVO, they rebuilt the chassis on here. There's nothing left. You're lucky. It's all gone. The main chassis, all the I think it was that bottom. See if we can do with lights. Better. Yeah, that's it. Look at it. It's all gone. Keen. Yeah, they weld both sides. That one as well, on the left as well, on the right. I mean. Okay. Get back to you again. Watch it all. I'll carry on.
Hello again. Hello, wave to you. Ciao.
No problem.
There's plenty work to do on this one.
I thought it'd been finished.
Plenty work doing.
Rotten.
He thought it was finished, but it's not. It's loads of water. Oh, yeah, so
I've done the front chassis.
Hey?
I've done the front chassis.
You've done the front chassis.
We've done the clutch.
You've done the front chassis.
We've done the clutch. We've done the cam belt. It was loose.
That was my video. You thought it was the BM. No, not the BM. The BM is okay. The BM is okay. The BM will be done soon.
I'm working on it. We're just going to check what he's doing on this. That's why. See what he's doing on there, and then I'll stop you after.
Let's quick look underneath. Have a look underneath.
This part's more. More of this chassis here.
Can see through there. Yeah, can see through there. Oh, look at you. Can see through here as well.
You got the light on it now?
No, light don't work.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, man.
Okay then.
Hey, look him. He's there. He's there. Look at his face.
Oh, fuck
his
off.
glasses. I got him. Go and show more pictures on the ground.
Yeah, they're just there. Look at this, all rotten.
Fucking hell, man. It's like a cave in there. Fucking heck. Shit.
Yeah.
Look at the fucking hole.
Okay.
Fucking heck.
Okay, then I've seen it.
Fucking. It's got a big hole, this fucking car. Ok, ciao, arrivederci.